So today's video regarding HP OfficeJet Pro 6968 all-in-one printer. So I'll show you how to replace the ink cartridges. So you just open the door, as there is a handle here, and once you lift, the whole section will come up, and lift it until it stables itself. Now here you can see the ink cartridge chamber. So there is a hook here. If you just press it, it will open the ink cartridge. So you can do it one by one for all the 4 ink cartridges. And now take the new ink cartridges out of the packing and place them straight here, and just press it little bit and it will lock in its position. So that you can do one by one for all of the ink cartridges, and also match the color of the ink cartridge to the icon. And here we go for the black ink cartridge. Now push the door down, it will close itself, and we are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.